Hi, my name is Van here. Monday, 15 December 2025. You insect and I spell ANT spider I spell SPIDER spider mosquito I spell MOSQUITO fly I spell FLY fly butterfly I spell BUTTERFLY butterfly B I spell BEE dragonfly I spell DRAGONFLY dragonfly cockroach I spell COCKROACH cockroach lot I spell LOUSE lot ladybird I spell LADYBIRD ladybird Cybird under the ball under the bed the ball under the bed the umbrella under the table the umbrella under the table My study page 30 and 32 មេរៀនទី5ស្រៈអះនឹងលេខ17ស្រៈអះប៉ះបាសសះទទះ17ធុរេន17ផ្លែ Goodbye teacher